Welcome to the Garnet model by Pulte Homes.
The Garnet by Pulte Homes is a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,166 square feet of living space. This model is available at The Grow, the first Agrihood in East Orlando. The interactive floor plan and more information on this neighborhood can be found on our website, testonteam.com. These first 2 guest rooms are 12 by 10 feet and have step-in closets and a shared bath. They're separated from the primary suite, which is tucked away at the rear of the home. Off to the left of the foyer is the garage entry, laundry, and drop zone, which we'll check out later on in this video. But for now, here's the office or flex room, which has the option of being a 4th bedroom. The open floor plan allows you to be a part of the gathering room as well as gives you views out to the backyard from your kitchen. If you've dreamt of a walk-in pantry, then look no further. There's plenty of storage in this kitchen. The gathering room's a generous 19 by 17 square feet and has direct access to the covered lanai. This room's been upgraded with the trade ceiling for additional height. The primary suite is a true retreat with views out to the backyard as well. The attached walk-in closet has room for 2, and the ensuite bathroom has a few different options. This model shown here has the linen closet next to the shower. However, you could choose to do a separate shower and tub or an extended shower. The covered lanai is over 18 feet long, and there's an option to add an outdoor prep kitchen if you'd like. The Garnet is part of the Forever series at The Grow and will be built on 50-foot lots. Make sure to check out our other videos showing the different lot sizes that will be available. Pricing is subject to change, so call us for recent info.
If you're interested in seeing this model home or any others in the Central Florida area, give our team a call. I'm Tannen Teston with the Teston Team, Orlando Realtor.